Hi guys! Welcome back to our YouTube channel. For today's video guys, may narid akong issue about Ann Cortez, ang pag-alis niya sa It's Showtime. Hindi ko na alam kung totoo, pero papalitan daw ata siya ni Bella. So, hindi ko na alam. Pakiread this, okay? So, guys, don't forget to follow and subscribe our YouTube channel. Maraming salamat po.